We've made it as easy as possible on the Groundsure Searches ordering platform to find the products that are most suitable for your site. So you'll arrive at the products page from the map view where, more often than not, you will already have defined your site. So you may know exactly what you're looking for, and all of the products are available down the page with search and filter options to help you find the product in question. If there are products that you commonly order, you can add them to your favorites by clicking the star icon in the top right of each product card. That product will now appear in your favorites tab, ready for the next time. Often though, you might be not quite sure which is the right product or combination of products for a given site or location, and this is where risk alerts and recommended products come in. At the top of the page, the site-specific risk alerts are presented. These are things like flooding, ground stability, or coal. It uses the property's precise location to determine which potential risks are present and they need to be explored further and clarified. You can click on each individual risk to find out more details, what is being checked, what it means, and also which products would cover off this individual risk. Recommended products, though, goes one step further. It looks at all of the risks for the site together and recommends the most effective product or combination of product that covers off all of those risks. I'm going to buy an Avista, and all my risks are covered.